Hey, a friend of mine, Chris, gave me this pool pump motor and said, scrap it. So I'm going to do a video on me scrapping this, seeing how much stuff I can get out of it. The copper I will melt into a bar. The aluminium I'm going to see if I can drip out using my oil burner for the rotor. Normally people just throw that away. So I'm going to see what I can get out of this. Anyway, let's get on with the scrapping. Half. So that rotor has aluminium, and I'm going to hit that with my oil burner. Seems like a waste, but anyway, we'll get it out to play. Okay, we'll get these two Phillips. The terminal with a switch. Okay, so I've got this complete. I'm gonna probably cut down here. Okay, so now to strip this down. Oh. That just unscrews and that comes off, so no need to break it. Oh, and I'm wearing glasses. Unfortunately, that's all rusted. Maybe it's copper. Not worth it. Okay, so I've got it all broken down. This is my trash. I always keep nuts and bolts. I always find a use for them. I've got the rotor. I'm going to heat up and melt the aluminium out. I've got the end caps to melt. Got the cable and the stator, and we'll recycle those and get some copper out of them. Anyway, moving on. Okay, so there's many ways to skin this cat, but you know, I always find just a pair of side cutters does really well with this stuff. Okay, so the camera turned off, battery low. This is being cut with the grinder. So I'm going to pick up all the loose bits of copper, stick them in here, and then start pulling this out. So now I give this a good hit. That seems to break up all the varnish that's in here. Okay, this is going to take some thought on how to do this. Well, that was a lot harder than I expected. Anyway, moving on. So that enamel's burning off now, making really fumey. This is why I don't like using enameled and stuff, dirty wire. Okay, this is at 1800 degrees. So I'm trying to burn out the aluminium. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, it's all redneck, it's all get up, but we'll see if this works. Okay, so the aluminium's dropped out. Kind of cool. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, I got these two clumps of aluminium from the rotor. 82 grams, 2.8 ounces. Really nothing in the scheme of things. Okay, so I got the crucible loaded. We'll fire up the furnace and melt this into an ingot. Ended up with this cool little ingot. weighs 426 grams, 15 ounces exactly. So, kind of cool experiment. Okay, so this is all I got from that motor out of all my effort. 2.5 pounds of copper, basically a pound of aluminium, so maybe about $10 and stuff. Not really worth the time versus money aspect of it, but it was a cool thing to do. Anyway, thanks for watching.